Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, my name is Hidayah Lokman. So today I would like to present assignment 3, blended learning. Okay, first of all, I would like to say sorry to Joseph because all my slides are in Bahasa, but I will try my best to present in English. If you have any question regarding my presentation, you can contact me at WhatsApp. Okay. For this assignment, uh, I'm choosing a control system subject. Okay, this subject is for diploma students at vocational college in electrical technology program. The mode of study is blended learning. I'm choosing the flipped classroom blended learning, and the duration of study is 14 weeks. Okay. Okay, here are what I'm going to present today. So I will explain about the introduction of the course and the course synopsis, the learning outcome, and also the course planning, the whole course planning for the 14 weeks. Okay, for the introduction. Okay, for this course introduces students the basic knowledge from the motor control and understanding of the PLC. PLC is programmable logic controller, and UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power system. It's just like a power supply for real application with hands-on workshop. So this course will be conducted using the blended learning method, which consists of face-to-face and online. And the type is flip classroom. I will conduct it will be conducted for 14 weeks. And next is for the course synopsis. Okay, this course provides students with fundamental concepts and examples to understand the operation and capabilities of programmable logic controller as an important tool for the factory or industrial automation. And students will be able to implement simple control strategies using ladder diagram. So before they learn this course, they have to finish the basic motor control first, and then they can learn this course. Okay, and next for the learning outcome. Okay, after they finish this course, students will be able to apply the PLC programming, and they can fix and commission control system according to the SOP, standard operating procedure. And they also will be able to construct a process logic control systems and develop technical specification. And another one is they will be able to comply control system according to personal protection equipment PPE safety procedure. And the next is the course planning. Okay, here is the overview. Okay, I will be conducted the face-to-face mode for 10 weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 4, week 6, week 8, week 9, week 10, week 11, week 12, and week 14. And for the online learning, I will conduct it at week 3, week 5, week 7, and week 13. Okay, here are the course for 14 weeks, but I will not explain all the weeks. I will only explain week 1 until week 3 only. Actually, the methods are the same for all the weeks. The difference is only on the topics, subtopics, and the activities that will be carried out throughout the course. Okay, for week 1, the topic are about design process system. Okay, this topic will be covered in 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. And the mode of the study is face-to-face for both weeks. Okay, because it is first class and first week, so I would like to have a physical class first before I conduct the online class, so that in the first class, I can explain in details to the students about the course, the assessment, the mode of study, and how the class will be conducted, so that students aware about the course and there will be no problem with in the next class. So okay, so for the first week, I will conduct the class as usual, like traditional class. The first week is mainly for the introduction of the course. So students will learn about concept of design process system. Students will learn about process functions of machine according to the standard operating procedure SOP, and how to identify choosing equipment, input and output according to SOP. Okay, other than that, they will also learn about how to identify suitable types of product materials according to SOP for the design process system. So in this week, the teacher will use active learning method for the class. For example, team pair share, simulation, or game. And for the second week, I will start the flipped classroom blended learning. Okay, before the class start, I will ask students to read some notes and do an activity. For example, taking out the important point from the notes and ask them to watch a video about tomorrow practical activity to give them an insight about tomorrow activity. Okay, in the present class, teacher will ask students about the activity they do and ask some volunteer to answer some questions. And for the practical activity, the teacher will explain first what they need to do, and then the teacher will let students do their own practical activity. So the teacher act as a facilitator and guider to guide them throughout the practical activity. Okay. And for the after the activity, okay, as usual, I will ask students what the teacher will ask students what they learned that day and conclude their learning. And for the third week, okay, the third week is design logic control system. So the topic also will be covered in 2 weeks, week 3 and week 4. But the mode of study for week 3 is online. And for week 4 is face-to-face. Usually, the mode of study for face-to-face is because it has a practical activity. Okay, for the third week, the topic is design logic control system. So the topic this week will be conducted with the same method of learning, just like week 2, which is blended learning, flipped classroom, the flipped classroom method. And it's the same, it's just like it will be conducted in the online. For example, okay, before the class, okay, teacher will give the students notes so that they can review first and write the notes first. And in the online class, the teacher will ask students about the notes, about what they have read. Okay, and for the week 4 will be conducted in face to face. It is just the sambungan je daripada from the first the week 3. Okay, and the other week, okay, for week 5, will be conducted in OL, online. Week 6, face-to-face, because it has practical activity. Now week 7, online. Week 8, face-to-face. Week 9, face-to-face also, because they have to install the control system. They have to conduct how to do pre-test, how to do tests, to test the function of the instrument. And for the week 10, also face-to-face. They will learn how to install the control system, and they will have practical practical activity amali 5. And for week 11 and 12 also they will learn, it will be conducted in face to face, because it's involved practical activity. Okay, and for the last 2 weeks, for week 13, the topic is maintain UPS system. It will be conducted in online. And for the week 14, it will be conducted in face-to-face, because it has practical activities. Activity amali 7. Okay. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, if you guys have any question, please contact me at WhatsApp. And regarding my presentation, or if you guys have any questions lah, you can contact me. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.